Hi, this short video will give you an overview of Sigma's new ROX 10.0 GPS computer. The ROX 10.0 is Sigma's first GPS computer. In addition, it's Sigma's first ANT+ wireless computer, making it compatible with bikes that have built-in or integrated transmitters, plus all the power meters using the ANT+ transmission system. With over 83 functions built inside, the organization of the display is extremely important. We have provided you with 3 different displays to choose from, which you can change by pressing the Mode button or bottom right button. The first display looks like a traditional bicycle computer. The upper segment shows you 4 current training values for heart rate, cadence, altitude, and gradient. By pressing the top right button, you can zoom into any one of these functions, giving you a 3-function display. The middle segment displays your current speed, and the lower segment can show you up to 10 different functions that you can select in the Favorites section of the setting menu. The second display is the navigation screen. In the top section, you can personalize this display with up to 6 different functions. The lower section will be your navigation view, equipped with manual or auto zoom capabilities. The third display is the altitude profile. Again, you can personalize the upper segment with up to 6 different functions, and in the lower section, you can see the altitude profile of your ride, including your last mile ridden, as well as the next 3 miles to come. One of the cool features of the ROX 10.0 is its track navigation. After importing a ride into your ROX 10, it can navigate you to your final destination. A track overview can be viewed on your display. If you leave the track, you will see a pop-up display showing your current position in relation to the track, plus a dotted line indicating the direction to get back on track. Once you've successfully gotten back on track, you will see the on-track message. If you venture too far off the track or make a wrong turn, you'll get a wrong direction message. And through the data center, you can program waypoints into your track to receive alerts along your ride. In the altitude profile screen, you'll see a 4-mile summary of your ride. This includes the last mile ridden, plus the next 3 miles ahead. When you combine this display with the gradient or slope function on the top, this can be extremely valuable on a long mountain climb. The ROX 10.0 has all the common power functions inside, including current, average, and max power, plus 3-second average power, 30-second average power, working kilojoules, power target zones, and more. If you don't have a power meter, the ROX 10.0 can estimate the amount of power required to keep your bike moving using a calculation that includes nearly all of your training parameters. In order for this to function, you must have a cadence transmitter installed. Or, the ROX 10 is also compatible with all major power meters that use the ANT+ wireless transmission system. The display of the ROX 10.0 is 25% larger than the ROX 9.1, which is also about 25% larger than most other bike computers on the market. If we're going to display the data, we want you to be able to read it. Inside, you'll find the latest Surfstar 3 GPS receiver, digitally coded ANT+ wireless transmission. It uses a digital 3-axis compass. It uses a barometer for more accurate navigation, altitude and temperature measurement, and it has an 800 mAh lithium-ion battery. The battery is charged by a micro USB charging port that comes with a detachable USB wall charger, and of course the ROX 10.0 is waterproof. The ROX 10.0 is even more powerful after the ride when you connect it to the Sigma data center. For more details on the data center, check out the data center videos or visit www.sigma-data-center.com. But thanks to the large memory capacity of the ROX 10.0, you can record up to 249 hours of riding before having to clear the logbook. The ROX 10.0 comes standard with a handlebar stem mount, but for those who prefer the out and front style mount, the Sigma Butler will be available just in time for Christmas. The ROX 10.0 is available in 2 colors, black or white, and it'll be sold as the ROX 10.0 Basic, which includes just the computer head and mount, the wall charger and cable in the Sigma Data Center, which retails for $199. Or it can be purchased as a set which also includes the Amp Plus speed, cadence, and heart rate transmitters for $299. For more details on the ROX 10.0 and the other ROX computers, visit www.sigma-rox.com.